let's practice some fill-in-the-blank problems. I'm in the system Z15 multiplication, and I have Z6 times blank will give me 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is rename 3. So I could also think of 3 as, well, if I added 15 to it, that'd be the same thing as 18. If I add 15 again, I would get 33. If I add 15 again, I get 48. Now, how far up should I go? Well, what's the biggest number I could put right here? The biggest number I could put there is 14. So what's the biggest number I could produce using this 6? Well, 6 times 14 is 84. Okay, so that means I need to go up to 84 over here. So that's my limit. So I'm going to add 15 again, and I'll get 63. I'll add 15 again, and I'll get 78. And I'm getting close enough to 84, I'm just going to stop. And so 6 times what will give me, are any of these multiples of 6? And yes, I see that 6 times 3 will give me 18, and 6 times 8 will give me 48. Let's just check. If I got 18, I would subtract 15, and I should get 3. Cool. If I got 48, I would subtract a multiple of 15, so 30, I'd get 18, I'd subtract 15 again, and I'd get 3. Okay, cool. So notice I have to offer all possible answers in order to get this problem right. If you just gave me 3 or you just gave me 8, it would have to be marked incorrect. Now let's look at 11 times blank equals 7. So what's the biggest, well, before we do that, so let's rename 7. So rename the first 5 values of 7. So those would be 22, 37, plus 15, 52, plus 15, 67, plus 15, 82, plus 15, 97. Noticing a pattern, plus another 15. Wow. So how far do I have to keep going? Well, what's the biggest number that could go here? Well, it could be a 14. So 11 times 14. So I need to go up to 154. Ugh, that's annoying. But okay, let's keep going. So 97 plus 15 would be 112. Plus another 15 would be 127. I'm noticing an interesting pattern. It's annoying to add 15s, but I can start adding 30s. So notice I add a 30. I added 30. So I'd add 30, I'd get 142. Whereas again here I added 30, and I added 30, and I added 30. So then I'd get a 157, and then a 172. Oh, I had to only go up to 154. Okay, good, so we're done. Okay, now I'm going to look at anything that is a multiple of 11. So do I see any multiples of 11 in here? I see this is a multiple of 11. And I know that 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 12, well, I don't know what that is, but I can just figure that out here. So that'd be 132. 11 times 13, well, I'd add on 11. I would get 43. Okay, so nothing else is a multiple of 11 in here. So the only value that fits is 2. All right, we are still in we are still in Z15, so we are going to rename 6. So it could be a 21, it could be a 36, it could be a 51, a 66, an 81, a 96, 111. How far do I need to go? Well, the biggest number that could go here is 14. So 14 times 7. So I only need to go up to 98. Okay, cool, I'm done. So now I'm going to look. 7 times what will give me something over here? Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. Nope. Is this divisible by 7? No. No. And that's too high. So there's only one value that fits here. So notice some values have a missing blank that could have 2 values or more, and some only have 1. Some are even impossible.